Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to restore pedal settings to default on your HORI track control system. So first, what you guys want to do is go over and click on the wheel in the device manager app. There's a tutorial on our channel on how to download it. Now let's go to pedal settings right here and now click restore to default right at the bottom. So now it will ask if you want to revert to the default settings. You simply click OK if you want to and cancel if you don't. I'll click OK, and as you guys can see, everything is at 0. So whenever I change something, for example, -3, 3 and -2, let's click restore to default again, it will go back to 0. So that's basically it for the video. I hope it was helpful, and if it was, then leave a like, sub and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.